Yeah, 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 yeah. And they say, promesas son nada más que solo palabras. Y si no las cumples, se van a desvanecer. Algún día volverás.
तो फाइनली गाइस हम वापस से अभी जा रहे हैं और अभी रश बहुत हो रहा है। अभी हम घर नहीं जा रहे हैं, दूसरी जगह पे जा रहे हैं, तो लेट्स सी क्या होता है। तुमान भाई और अरमान भाई जा रहे हैं दूसरी जगह पे, क्योंकि असल में यहाँ पब्लिक क्राउड बहुत ज़्यादा है। तो जब ही तो
Hey, assalamu alaikum guys. Now we are here with the Bird's owner. What's the name of the
my stall name is Birds Factory and I'm the owner, Jasir Khan. I'm myself Jasir Khan. I'll show you my whole stall.
Okay, so now we're gonna check the whole stall. और यहाँ पे जितने सारे लोग हैं, we're gonna check the birds.
I have captive birds. I have a breeding setup of captive birds.
Oh, okay. So I pretty much like the birds. So let's see what kind of birds you have. Let's go.
I'll show you some mutations.
So that's the first bird because I'm pretty much close. यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा crowd है. And let's see, he's gonna open the news. Finally, we got a new bird. Look at the bird.
And this is 4 months old baby.
This is what?
4 months.
This is 4 months old. He seems like so small, right? Also, so how old is he right now? How old is he right now?
He is 4 months. 4 months. 4 months. And he will be able to breed after 2 months.
After 2 months.
Around 6 months.
So they all are from the same breed, the one in the cage?
All are red pites. These are blue pites. And these are diamond pites.
These are diamond pites. Nice. That's really good. Thanks. Hey guys, so finally we're with the macaw. Just look at that. Look at that.
Oh my god.
He looks bro. Oh bro. I told you.
You get a bite.
I'm gonna put it on my hand. Bro, is he gonna bit me?
Yeah, I got it.
Nope. Nah, he won't gonna come. Same as. It's not a macaw. What's the name of this one? Great.
One, two, three.
Yeah, you can check it out video. You're gonna post it on both channels.
So I will tell you, I have a huge bird farm. Around more than 5,000 birds pairs. In total 10,000 birds I have. It's actually the bird factory. I have ice factory on the ground floor, and people say you have bird factory on the all floors.
What we can do, we can settle a schedule at a time.
Yeah,
we can go with there and we can vlog the whole bird factory.
We can cover all
the things.
Yes, you'll see.
But make sure there is no crowd over there.
No, this is Dalfa. That's why so many people are here.
Yeah.
When you will schedule only.
You're gonna contact Maz. I'm gonna let you know when I'm gonna be available.
Maz is a very busy person, so you have to catch him.
No worries.
So finally guys, अभी हमने bird explore करी है और फिर हमने cattle farm explore कर रहे हैं.
I really like the people over here. They're so good. और उन्होंने बहुत respect दी, सबसे अच्छी बात.
अच्छा मैं एक चीज करूँ, कराची से लोग अपनों के लिए एक्सपो सेंटर में ईद मनाने के लिए आ रहे हैं.
Alright guys, so
मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा जो पसंद आया है,
they're like beautiful. All of them are. Hey guys, finally we are here with the Dalfa owner, and he's showing our animals, whatever he have, all the breeds he have. We're gonna start by the interview. What's your name? Anas. So he's Anas. Now we are with Anas. Anas gonna tell us about the whole cows, whatever he have. We'll start from one by one. We're gonna move on to the first one. The first one we have over here. Okay, Anas. So what's the name?
Its name is Maharani, and she's 3 years old. And this is one of the male breed, which is look at it's huge.
You can look at the size of it. It's really huge, and that's the hugest animal I've seen over here in the whole, whatever you said, the Expo or whatever the Dalfa.
On your left, its name is Naya.
And this one is beautiful too. It seems like a more milk cow because the color, the print, it's totally beautiful.
And say the genes are one from the Australia. This
is from Australia, guys.
That have Fijian breed also.
Genes also from Australia. Now we're gonna move on to the third one. Third one we have over here. What's the name of this?
Brown and white. Similar breed. This is Gulab.
This is the same similar breed over here,
But this is
we
a
can.
mixture of Brahman and the local Cholistani breed we have in Pakistan.
Brahman and what's the second one?
Cholistani.
Brahman
Cholistani
and
is an
Cholistani.
area in Punjab which is very known for, very well known for its quality of breed and cows and
Cool. So,
the fourth one is Gola, and the breed, he's pure Gir breed. It's imported from outside.
the size, guys, it's
It's
totally.
than one of my favorite, Gola.
And now it's one of my favorites as well. The size you can
Go
look.
and show his face. Go and show his
Look at the size. Look at the size and face.
5.5 and look at this.
Look at the face and look at the size, man. His whole body is incredibly huge.
So tall.
He's so tall. Burhan is 5'11", right? You're 5'11".
5'5". 5'10".
5'10" or 5'11". It's almost a 5'11" height. You can check his face. He's huge, more huge than that. And I've seen the most huge, because all lives in these 5 is the hugest one I've seen.
Look at this back.
Now
look
we're
at
gonna
this
move
back.
on to the last one. Hey Anas, what's the breed of this one?
His name is Shahzada, and this is also slugger breed, which is he's a kid only. He's just 2.5 years old, and he's for the next year.
He's a kid, but he's a really good kid. Like, look at the size, man. The size
He's
is.
a little bit angry.
But he's angry with you, brother. He's angry with you. We can tell.
माशाल्लाह ये वाला बहुत माशाल्लाह से I like that one. मुझे ये वाला बहुत ज़्यादा
लेकिन मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा वो वाला अच्छा
But
लगा.
now this one is my favorite now because the size of this one.
इसका size और
All right, guys. Finally, there is a good news for you. We're gonna walk that one. The one I liked it very much because I was wondering that I could watch it someday, but now finally it's gonna happen. You can now imagine the size of the bull. My height is almost 5'11" or 6, almost 6. My height is 6, and let's see the size of
Que
that one.
tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres, como acariciarte y conocerte de raíz. Recuperé la fe cuando yo a ti te vi, mami. Bailabas como un ángel, me acuerdo de ese party. No lo hacías despacito, no eras como Daddy, eras como Bad Bunny, tu flow bastante cari. Alright, hermosa y con límites me gusta, y con esa sencillez que asusta. Sabes bien cómo es que es combi completa de cabeza a los pies. Sin effects, mami, yo te entono, te subo el pecho y te derrito el cono. En mis historias siempre te menciono, para esa reina necesito un trono. Sin effects, mami, yo te entono, con esos besos, chica, me emocionó. Con tu cuerpo y tu nivel, quieres otra vez.
Hey guys, finally we are here in a new kennel. I don't know the name. What's the name? South Comfort Kennel Park. So over here I saw there are beautiful animals here. So how you guys grew up with animals? Since how long?
I think it's a year. Mostly a year, I think. I'm not really sure because my mama don't spend it. But yeah, we like it a lot. And also enjoying the video.
The best part is that she volunteered herself to give an interview. That's the confidence I like about the people, because people don't want to be in front of camera, right? People get scared. Hey, I'm just coming in the camera. I just want to be on YouTube.
Yeah, I am a camera shy, but I'm not that confident because I don't know why. But I'm not so confident. But yeah.
Well, it's fine. It's fine. We're gonna show you the animals first, and thanks for the interview. Though that's all we want to say. So, first we're moving on this. This first stuff.
It's a female.
It's female.
Gmail? Oh, female.
This is nice. Bro, it's pretty new.
Pretty.
Shout to the other one. The second one. I like this one. I want to buy this one.
Oh my God. You wanna buy?
No,
Oh my
I'm
God.
kidding. I'm just kidding. Make me 100K subscribe. Look at this one, bro.
Oh my God.
She don't like
This
me.
is so dangerous,
She
man.
don't like me. Why don't she don't like me? Now move on to the third one. You don't like me either, I guess. You gotta hurt her.
Oh my God. Arman, it's now your turn.
Now I'm gonna cover it, but I'm pretty much scared because she looks so angry.
These are all females.
Now move on to the last one.
Okay.
बहुत तेज बच्चा है।
यार ये मारेगी
मैं जो है देखो कैटर फॉर्म में एक साथ जॉब कर चुका हूँ। सब पता है यार।
Finally guys, we are with a new kettle. इसका नाम क्या है माज? मज़रियात केटल। यहाँ पे लाइटिंग काफ़ी अच्छी है और अभी यहाँ पे बाकी के हम आपको दिखाएंगे। हाँ यहाँ पे आवाज़ माइक की बैटरी लो हुई है। You can check the size of this one. माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह। ये इतना huge है।
मुझे जो है
सबसे अच्छा तो ये वाला।
सबसे अच्छा तो ये वाला
तो सबसे अच्छा भाई। ये थोड़ा सा बुरा लग रहा है।
That much is pretty good.
Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres, como acariciarte y conocerte de raíz. Vamos 1, 2, 3, sin estrés, muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres.
Black python. Is it a bite? It's not a bite. You get a bite. I'm talking about bite. You get a bite. No, that's not a bite.
No voy a negarte.
Now we are totally
La primera vez que tú me lo hiciste, baby, quería matarme. Pero ahora no. El problema fue amarte. Sabiendo que no sientes nada y no sabes querer, no sabes querer. Esta es mi despedida, vete con el que tú un día, suerte que ya no eres mía, yo ya no te aguanto, no. Esta es mi despedida, vete con el que tú un día, suerte que ya no eres
in our hands. Finally, you can say we are brave enough to hold the python. You can check it. There must be from Amazon's rainforest. Hey guys, now I'm with a different guy. What is Stiffy? Black Stiffy, you can check it. Wings, and his eyes are covered, so he's not gonna bait me out. Look at that, man. His eyes, he's really aggressive. I saw there are a lot of videos on the Amazon.
Rahan's turn.
Heavy. Ready? Oh, bro. Look at this big size.
Dangerous bird.
It's more aggressive one also. He tells us that.
Look at this nail, it's too sharp.
Look at the size of the nails. It's really big. And he can easily cut down the whole fingers with his nails. So,
Literally, I'm so scared, but
scared part. Pulling up. Check it. What's up? Hamza is showing me the golden falcon. The nails are so sharp, it's already hurting my finger.
Golden falcon.
Golden falcon. It's golden falcon. Right now I'm carrying the golden falcon, guys. Original.
And it,
but it's so cute.
he's also living water as well.
Bro, he's so cute.
That one looks so cute.
The hands.
Un día te dejaré mirando hasta el cielo.
This is a fighter fish. It's pretty small, but still it's dangerous.
Un día te dejaré mirando hasta el cielo. Se pone coqueta, que hasta el novio ni lo respeta. Yeah, como ella se mueve, siempre hace cosas que no debe. Se pone coqueta, que hasta en las fotos me etiquetan. Yeah, como ella se mueve, siempre hace cosas que no debe.
Amazing bird. I don't know the names.
Oh my god, now we got another rabbit.
Another rabbit.
Oh, so that is a
Wow, there are lots of birds and animals you guys have.
Alright guys, now I'm holding, and the second python one I'm holding with the other person.
That is incredible.
It's size too big.
Incredible. Oh.
Alright, so now another second python.
What do you want to say? Just okay.
Alright guys, now with the second python, you can check it how fearless it is to get a second.
Siempre hace cosas que no debe. A ella le gusta el rum rum.
All right.
Python moving up here.
Medicina boom boom.
I put another python.
Guys, you got the other python.
Porque la cosa está buena. Con ese estilo que tú tienes, nena. Chica, soplame la vela. Paso cementerio, pero te entierro todito. No lo extrañas.
Now he's holding
I don't
python.
know, this good. This is like incredible. It's pretty good. Yeah, I was thinking like it seems like scary, but it's not scary.
Hey guys, so finally I'm here with a new species of animal. We're gonna guide us about all the rest of the things. Hey, wait, what's up? What's that?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. We are basically importer. We import reptiles all around the world. Right now we have iguanas and 4 color. We have a green iguana, hyper-red iguana, and a blue iguana. So, let's get it. First of all, it's a albino iguana.
Albanic.
It's not a white.
Take it. Albanic iguana, guys. Look at that.
This one is a hyper-red iguana.
Hyper-red iguana. I have both.
He will not do anything. Take it easy. This one is a blue iguana.
So finally, guys, I'm covered with whole iguanas on my both shoulders, my head, totally covered with the whole iguanas. But they are looking beautiful, by the way. Why they gonna change the color? I don't know what's gonna do it, but it's not
Don't change color. They are iguanas.
iguanas.
These are the mobs of iguanas. Huh?
Beautiful.
This one is a reticulated purple fish reticulated python.
Okay.
It's up to grow up 24 feet.
24 feet. So you can imagine how big it would be.
Ball python.
Now we got another snake on my hand, man.
This called a pinto bite ball python.
Pinchable by python.
You look like a bro. You look like a snake lover.
I look like a snake lover. Animal Geographic.
Look at this. Look at that.
Look at that. What is this?
What is
this?
I don't.
It's not wild.
Skin.
Blue tongue skin.
Blue tongue
Put
skin.
it in my hand.
I think.
Show his face to the camera.
No, I'm fine.
Beautiful, guys. Look at these. Put in my hand.
This called a brigade.
Face like angry.
Blue tongue skinny.
Blue tongue skinny and the big dragon. We are with the boat. You can check it out.
Grab him.
Hey, skin another.
He's trying to play it. Damn, bro. He's wild. Check it out. The boat I have on my hands. First one. You guys should watch it in the camera. The whole bird.
अच्छा इसके जो मतलब जो ओनर है वो तंजील है और ये मेरे दोस्त हैं क्लास फेलो है और ये तंजील इसकी क्या प्राइस है वैसे?
ये तकरीबन 4 लाख का है।
4 लाख।
ये जो है 4.5 लाख।
4.5
Right,
लाख।
400,000, 400,000, 450,000, 400,000.
तो भाई मैं तो ये मशवरा दूंगा इससे ले लें।
I better guys you suggest to buy this one because this one is so calm. You should buy this one. I like the more aggressive one. Finally guys, ending. दोनों तरफ से हो रही है, उधर से भी हो रही है,
उधर से लाइट चल रही है।
उधर से लाइट चल रही है. So thank you so much मास, पूरा मास ने हमें टूर कराया, विजिट कराया, every single thing else. हमें केटल्स दिखाए और lizard, especially python, सारी चीज़ें मास ने दिखाई. तो thank you so much मास for your hospitality.
सारी चीज़ें हमें दिखाई हैं and you guys really enjoyed it. और यहाँ पे हमारा ब्रांड का वो like हमारा एक चैलेंज ओवर होता है.
Challenge over.
So 24
hours speaking English. Public.
गाइस मैं ये कहूँगा बहुत अच्छे बॉयज हैं ये, इनको प्लीज सपोर्ट करें, सब्सक्राइब करें लाजमी।
Alright guys, subscribe it. So माज आपको hopefully आगे वाली ब्लॉग में दिखेगा, कोई इवेंट या कंटेंट आएगा तो you're gonna be with us and
Yes.
Fahad too. So
Yes, of course.
Yeah, so let's see you in the next vlogs and अभी हम घर चलते हैं and then
we'll show you guys over there.
Alright guys, so finally we are back to the home और मैंने इनका चैलेंज भी कंप्लीट कर दिया, लेकिन बहुत थकान हो गई गाइस. लिटरली आप लोग देख सकते हैं फहद और दूसरा बॉय भी अरमान प्रो बुरहान लिटरली टायर्ड. सुभान हर तरफ से मतलब बॉडी का हर पार्ट पेन कर रहा है.
But it was pretty amazing, pretty impressive, and
बहुत अच्छा
experience रहा. हम बहुत सारे नए लोगों से मिले और we guys really enjoyed a lot. और हमारा ये 24 hours in English
Challenge भी complete, bro.
Challenge भी complete हो गया.
सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज क्या अरमान भाई ने चैलेंज कंप्लीट कर लिया 24 hours.
That is called a confident. फहद के अंदर बहुत confidence है तो इससे मुझ में और confidence आ गया.
और सबसे ज्यादा डर हमें देखिए सबसे ज्यादा डर उस चीज का लगा कि मैंने उकाब जब बिठाया था यहाँ.
हाँ, that was a scary part.
मैंने कहा गया मैं, लेकिन मैंने कहा चलो यार कोई मतलब नहीं.
लेकिन फहद क्या कह सकते?
भाई देखिए मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा
यार एक्सपो में बड़ा ज़बरदस्त एक्सपीरियंस है. जब मुझे उधर मुझे बड़ा मज़ा आया जब दिल पसंद वाले कैटल फार्म में जब हम गए. और
हाँ, स्पेशली दिल पसंद वाले कैटल फार्म में मुझे सबसे बेस्ट उनके लगे क्योंकि उन्होंने जिस तरह पूरा मेंटेन किया. नो डाउट रेस्ट ऑफ इट आर गुड एज वेल, बट द गाय ओवर देयर ही वाज ऑसम एंड स्पेशली द कैटल और जानवर
टोटली के भी मुझे अच्छे लगे. और वो जो लास्ट में हम गए थे शूट करने उसका नाम मैं भूल गया थोड़ा सा, वो भी मुझे बेस्ट लगे.
बस एक चीज़ हमसे जो है हमारी मुलाकात नहीं हो पाई. वो जो डेल्फा के जो ओनर थे ना उनसे हमारी मुलाकात
या हमें लग रहा था कि उनसे हो जाएगी बिकॉज ही वाज बिजी एट दैट टाइम व्हेन वी वेंट ओवर देयर, तो वहाँ पे हम उनसे हो नहीं पाई. बट एनीवेज स्पेशल थैंक्स टू माज एंड all the cattle farms. I don't remember the name. All the cattle farms owners जिन्होंने हमें permission दी to walk inside and make a vlog, create the whole video. Special thanks to all of them. I really appreciate your hospitality. I really appreciate your love, your kindness with us. And I hope you guys like this vlog. You guys can check हमारी. We are really tired from faces. We make a content for you guys, and we're gonna make more content like that.
इंशाल्लाह जो है आपके जो व्लॉग आएंगे तो उससे भी जबरदस्त हम व्लॉग बनाएंगे. उसमें जब हम चैलेंजेस करेंगे और आप लोगों को.
And yeah, I forgot to tell one thing. वहाँ पे हमें कुछ लोगों ने invite भी करा है अपने कैटल फार्म पे भी. So we're gonna go over there as well. और वहाँ पे भी जाके एक बर्ड्स और एक कैटल फार्म दोनों ने हमें invite करा है. अब let's see जब हमारा schedule maintain होगा. So me and Fahad will go together over there.
Inshallah soon. And don't forget to subscribe both
channels. Home Blaster Boys subscribe. Brotherhood channel subscribe. Both of the channel. We'll see you guys in a next amazing vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Goodbye guys. Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye guys.
Brotherhood and Home Blaster Boys.